Good morning, children. So we'll start with the new chapter today. So this is your second chapter. The chapter's name is addition. Right. So we in the last two classes we covered chapter one. That is the 5-digit number. I showed you what is the place values. I want you to repeat what is the place value. Place value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So we have only 5 digits, so we'll stop till 10,000. Then I showed you how to insert comma under 5-digit number in Indian system of numeration, and how to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order, and how to write the number name for the 5-digit number. So now in this particular chapter addition, it is only about addition. You must know how do you add, but here the addition will be for 5 digit. Okay, so we'll straight away start with the chapter. I need not explain you what is addition. I know you must have studied the addition in your lower classes. We will just start the addition, but there is certain steps. How do you follow in this chapter for addition? You have to just follow those steps so that you get the answer rightly. Normally, however you want, you can add it, but there here in this chapter it is based on 5-digit number. What we will do is we'll put the place values of the number, and then we will add it, and then the carrying one also we should carry the numbers in such a way that we prepare a column for even that also. So in that way we'll do the addition. This is normal addition part. So we'll straight away start with the normally addition. See, in mathematics there is 4 basic operations of mathematics. What are the 4 basic operations? First is addition, second is subtraction, third is multiplication, and the fourth is division. These are the 4 basic operation of mathematics. Addition is one of them. So now we'll be studying about addition today. Okay. So now let me directly start with an exercise. Since you know addition, I will just show you what are the steps you have to do while adding. That's all. So exercise 2.1. Okay. The first main, add the following. You have some word problems also in this particular exercise. So what I will be doing is I will read the word problem. I will do the word problem on the board. End of the video, I will say after the class I will send you the picture for homework, right? In that homework you will have questions for the word problem for the classwork what we are doing it today. So that you can copy that question from that picture and then do the sum. So for that you leave some 4 lines and then copy the first answer, and then when you're opening the picture, copy the questions for that particular sum. Okay. So we'll start with the first sum. They've given us 36417 plus 32532. Okay. What we will do is we will put these numbers under the place values. So you do it in your working column. What are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and then 10,000. Make column for that. What you do is leave the first column as blank. Okay. And then in second column fill the first number 36417 plus fill the second column with the second number 32532. You have to get the answer for this. Okay. Why I have left this column blank is when you are carrying, you have to carry it here only. So first what we will do is we will read the number according to the place value. How do you read the number? 36,417. I repeat along with me. 36,417. The next one, 32,532. Repeat, 32,532. 2532. Now we'll add it. Addition should always be done from the right side. So 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5, 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer would be 68,949. So this is how you do the addition. First problem. Let me do one more sum. Second one. 1, 2, 9, 7, 3 plus 4, 6, 0, 1, 6. Leave the first column blank. Write the next numbers down. 12, 973 and then 46, 0, 1, 6. Now add it. Okay. First let's read the number. Because once you get used to reading the number, you can read it without writing the place value. So how do you read? 12,973 plus 46,016. Since you don't have any number under 0, no need to read anything. 0, 100, no. You can't read it like that. So how do you read it? 46,016. That's it. Okay. Now we'll add it. 6 plus 3. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 7 plus 1. So after 7, 8. 9 plus 0 is 9. 6 plus 2. After 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 1 is 4. After 4, 5. So what is the answer? 58,989. So this is the answer. Okay. Now let me do one more sum. This will be for the 3 numbers. 3 number addition. Okay. So 25,700 plus 2,246 plus 16,413. Okay. See here, this is 5-digit number 4, 5. So sometimes children know they write the numbers in a wrong way. So to avoid that, what we will do is we can write the number from the right side. So take the first number 25,700. So write it from here 0, 0, 7, 5 and 2. Since 5 digit, okay, you can write it straight away. When it is 4 digits, some children what they do, they write it from here. No, it is wrong. It is 2,246. So instead of writing it in a wronger way, what you do is write the numbers from the right side. So what is the number 2,246? 6, 4, 2 and 2. Okay. Next 16,413. So 3, 1, 4, 6 and 1. Fine. Now you have 3 numbers. Add all the 3. Add all the 3. Whatever you have to carry, carry it and then write the answer. So now 6 plus 3. After 6, 7, 8, 9. If you want to carry, no, carry it. Carrying number you have to write it here. Now 7 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 4, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. For 13, it is 1, 3, right? So carry 1 here and bring the 3 down. Okay. Now you have to add all the 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 6. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is 1 and 4. So carry 1 here and 4 will be down. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here you don't have number. That means put 0 or leave it blank. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer would be 44,350. So this is how you add the number when you have three numbers for 5-digit number. Now we will start doing some word problem. I will read the word problem, children. End of the class, I will send the picture of the exercise so that you can copy the question from the exercise. Okay? You should know which problem I am doing. I will write the numbers here as it is in the textbook so that you need not get confused. Okay? Second main, solve the following. Okay. So the first question. There are 26,759 trees in a protected area of a forest. Okay. There's a forest and there are many trees. How many trees are there? 26,759. 13,842 trees were planted during Vana Mahotsava. Find total number of trees in the protected area of the forest. So there's a forest. In the forest there is total 26,759 trees and there's some program Vana Mahotsava. On that day they planted many more trees. How many trees they planted? They planted 13,842 trees. Now what you have to find is you have to find the total trees in the forest. So before, see, it is very simple like this. You have 10 chocolates with you. Fine. You have 10 chocolates. So when you are at home, you have 10 chocolates. Then you come to school. There you have your 5 friends having birthday and they give you 5 more chocolates. So what you do is you don't eat any chocolate and you bring 5 chocolates also to the house. So when you are bringing the 5 chocolates to the house, already 10 chocolates you have and this 5 chocolates, so total you have 15 chocolates. How did you get 15 chocolates? You added the 10 chocolates and the 5 chocolates. The same way, in the forest there is some 26,000 and odd trees. Then on some occasion they planted 13,000 odd trees. Now they are asking us to find the total number of trees. I think the question is clear to you. Now let's go solve the problem. We have to first write the summary of the problem and then only you have to do the actual equation. Okay. So now this is your first sum. We'll write it in this way. Don't write some too big summary. Just write whatever is there in the textbook. But the sentence should be right. That's all. Total number of trees in protected, everything you can copy it from the textbook only. The summary part, protected area of forest. So how many trees were there? 26,842 trees. Sorry, 26,759 trees. Okay. Then they have planted some trees, no? Total trees planted during Vana Mahotsava. So they have planted 13,842 trees. Right? So now what they are asking us to find, you have to find total trees in forest is equal to how much? Okay. So this is a summary of your question. Now we'll do the actual equation. So when you want to find the total means addition. So this is equals 26,759 plus 13,842. Now write this with the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So now I told you if you get confused writing the numbers, write it from the right side. So leave the first column blank, the second column 9, 5, 7, 6 and 2, that is 26,759. Then next one is 2, 4, 8, 3 and 1, that is 13,842. Now add it. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. 11, no? So 1 carry 1 down. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So again 1 carry 0 down. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 carry 6 down. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 carry 0 down. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So total trees are 40,601. You have to write the units. What units they have given? Trees. So you have to write it as trees. So these many trees are there in the forest. Okay. I hope you have understood this sum. Let me do one more sum. Okay, this is the fourth problem in your textbook. Okay, let me read the question. A public library in a city has 17,943 books in Kannada, 14,635 books in Hindi and 10,284 books in English. How many books are there in library altogether? So there is a library. In library there are 3 language books. So one is Kannada, Hindi and English. So Kannada they are having 17,943 books. Hindi they are having 14,635 books. And English they are having 10,284 books. So now we have to find total number of books in the library. First we will write the summary. Total Kannada library. So Kannada books are 17,943. Now we'll write about Hindi book. Total Hindi book in library. How many books are there? So there are 14,635. Okay. Now again, total English books in library. So how many English books are there? There are 10,284. So what they are asking us to find? They are asking us to find total number of books. Total number of books in library is equal to how much? So what you have to do when you have to find the total? You have to add all the three. So this is nothing but 17,943 plus 14,635 plus 10,284. So now write it in a vertical way. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and 1s. Leave the first one blank. Now write all the three numbers. 17,943 plus, you can write it this way also. Okay, I told you in the before sum also. 14,635 plus 10,284. Now add all. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, 1 carry 2 down. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. Again 8 plus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 1 carry 6 down. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 2, 17 and 18. 1 carry 8 down. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 carry 2 down. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So total number of books are 42,862 books altogether. So this is your answer. So these were some of the sums for addition. I'll be giving some sums for homework. So I want you to write whatever I've done in the board. I want you to write it in your classwork, and the homework part, do it in your homework, and then we'll discuss the answers in the through the app. I'll let you know how we'll discuss the answer. We'll wind up the class for today. This was your second chapter, and we close the chapter also. The next chapter will start with the third chapter, that is subtraction. Thank you, children.